We'll look at number 31. Number 31 says find the surface area of the figure given. Let's write down the formulas first to see what we have. We first have a cylinder, then 2 we have or not 2 right here. 2 we have a cone. We're going to find the surface area of this figure. So number 1 is a cylinder. Surface area is equal to 2 pi r plus h. So right here, we do have a radius. Okay, good. 10 feet. And then we have height, which is 6 feet. So we're good with the cylinder. Let's check the cone. Number 2, we have a cone. Cone surface area is equal to pi r plus the slant height. We do have a slant height, which is nice. That's good. And if you're wondering, these are just the factored out ways for the formulas. Issue with this right away I can see is we don't have a radius. So it shouldn't be too hard. If this is 3 feet, and that's 3 feet, and the full thing is 20, so we took a segment of here, a segment here, 3, 3. So that means we have right here, this is 14. That's 14. So our radius for this one is going to be 7. Surface area of this figure. We're thinking about this. If you were to paint this object for surface area, you would paint here because it's on top of it. So one thing to keep in mind, this circle right here, we need to subtract it at the end. So it's included for both parts, so we got to subtract it twice. It's a circle, so area equals pi r squared. The radius we said 7 feet, so pi 7 feet squared, which is equal to 49 pi feet squared. And let's just keep it. Actually, we need to do it twice because it includes both the cylinder and that. So 49 times 2, we get 98. So if we times this by 2, we get 98 pi feet squared. I'm not going to put pi into it until the very end so we get a more exact answer. All right. Up a little bit. So this we're going to be subtracting from our answer at the end because we're not painting. If we're doing surface area, we're not painting that part. We're going to paint everything else. I guess we would, if we were thinking that logic, we wouldn't paint the bottom. But just for this question, we're not including this because it's just hypothetically that's not there. Okay. A cylinder. Let's do it first, find it. So a cylinder is going to be surface area is equal to 2 pi times 10 feet times 10 feet plus 6 feet. 16 times 10 times 2. You get this surface area is equal to 320 pi feet squared. You just make sure I did that right. 16 times 10 times 2. Yep. So the surface area for figure 1 is done. Let's do surface area for second shape. I'll move it up a little bit so we can see that. So we have a cone. Surface area is equal to pi times the radius, 7 feet. 7 feet times 8 plus 8 feet So we just do 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 times 7. You get surface area is equal to 105 pi feet squared. To find out the composite figure, surface area would do surface area of 1 plus the surface area of figure 2 minus 98 pi feet squared, minus that circle, because that's not really there. Okay, so what we do here, 320 pi feet squared plus 105 pi feet squared minus 98 pi feet squared. They all share pi, so I'm just going to multiply pi at the end and factor out a pi. So 320 feet squared plus 105 minus feet squared minus 98 feet squared. So I'm going to do that first. 320 plus 105 minus 98 pi 327 feet squared times pi times 3.14159. We get our answer is about 127.299 round feet squared, or round to the nearest hundredth. Round that up, so we get 127.30 feet squared, and that's it.